Imagine saving over $25,000 a year just by fixing how your utility data is reported and getting full visibility across all your costs in seconds. That's what we delivered for this company. Let me show you how. This property management company was tracking electricity, water, gas, and other utilities across multiple facilities, vendors, and meters. The problem? No single view, hard to compare costs over time, no clear visibility into what's driving expenses. So decisions were slow and often reactive. So we built a fully interactive Power BI dashboard. The goal was simple: give leadership a fast, clear way to understand utility costs and take action immediately. Now let's hop onto my computer to show you how this report looks like. On the left side, users can switch between water, sewer, electricity, and gas. Buttons use GIF animations, so when users hover, they instantly see movement and feedback. This makes the report feel like a real application, not just a static dashboard. At the top, we highlight key metrics: number of accounts, number of facilities, meters, and vendors. Then we show this year versus last year numbers, total cost divided by cost source, and number of bills. So in just a few seconds, decision makers understand the full picture. To keep the screen clean, filters are placed in a pop-up panel. Users can quickly filter by date, vendor, cost type, and meter. This keeps the dashboard simple while still allowing deep analysis when needed. The dashboard tracks cost trends over time, whether monthly, quarterly, or even yearly, and breaks down costs into consumption, demand charges, taxes, and other fees. So it's easy to spot where costs are increasing and why. Each utility has its own detailed view: water, gas, and electricity. So users can move from a high-level summary to detailed insights without leaving the report. With this solution, the company achieved $25,000 plus in annual savings by eliminating manual reporting and spreadsheet-based analysis, unified more than 5 different utility data sources into one single platform, and achieved 100% visibility across all cost categories and service types. Now, instead of spending time collecting and fixing data, they can focus on reducing costs and making better decisions. And instead of reacting to utility bills, they are now actively controlling and optimizing their spending. This is how Data Pivot Consulting helps companies turn complex data into clear financial results. If you want to build a dashboard like this for your business, visit datapivotconsulting.com and book your cost-free consultation today. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with someone who might be interested in starting a Power BI project for his business. And subscribe for more videos like this one.